are about to do some content in this shit.
On TVT Alan.
We're about to go to a groove.
Okay, guys, it's your favorite public matter part. Okay, so guys, we just preparing on a groove. So we thought let's just give you the behind the scenes nyana, just the young and yeah, we're drinking Chiller's Punch. Big G, please sponsor us. And yeah, we just wanna play some music, play some hip hop before we go out because Bajali piano the whole night. Bitches mazikale kasi figa. Mazikale kasi figa. Bitches mazikale kasi bitches pandao.
Ora família.
Bitches mazikale kasi figa. Bitches mazikale figa. Bitches mazikale kasi figa. Bitches mazikale kasi figa. Bitches mazikale kasi figa. Bitches mazikale figa. Bitches mazikale kasi figa.
Mazikale ngoba nathi twelo manzi fika. Mazikale nyembe zwende chop mi bendi pila. Namu kule game nifike sama bekuchisa. Bayakhala xa nifika ngoba ndiyachisa. Chop itwelo ugqibushi ibitches izilila. Be like let's pull up to the guest.
Go turn us music young, go diaza can't we mad. You busy test on doing nigga let's do we can. You busy saying shit about my name, why you mad? Cause I'm going higher to the top, I get. Cause dancing my stomach, go ding on the come can. Why you mad? Tell me why you mad? Why you mad? Kangalela, why you mad? Why you mad? Kangalela, why you mad? You busy test us doing nigga let's do we can. You busy saying shit about my name, why you mad? Cause I'm going higher to the top, I get. Dancing my stomach, go ding on the come can. Why you mad? Tell me why you mad? Why you mad? Kangalela, why you mad? Why you mad? Kangalela, why you mad? Go tell us be so young, go diaza can't we mad?
Yo, what up?
Yo, what up, everybody?
Right now we are going to a groove.
Yeah, say groove. Yeah, just nyana outfit of the day, nyana. Just a smaller nyana outfit of the day, yeah. Catch us doing behind the scenes of the groove experience. Yeah,
Let's go,
guys.
Got the sauce on me, on melon, got about 17. Got the bravery, such a valid felon Billy. Got the recipe, I'm cooking up, I'm swing at me. I've been pushing pillow, niggas busy politicking. I've been pushing big on melon, got about 17.
People are
Yo, what's going on YouTube right now?
What's going on YouTube? Hey, it's going down. So
It's going down.
We're just gonna fetch more alcohol.
Yeah.
Posy.
From our ghetto. Right now we are going home, right? You feel me?
Yeah.
So we are going home to fetch some more booze. We're going to fetch that Joseph Churret,
Whatever it is, but it's a Mexican vodka.
It's very expensive. It costs more than 500.
Mexican vodka, you can search it.
You niggas,
You can search it.
you niggas be saying that we are getting paid. We're not getting paid,
We're not
guys.
getting paid, guys. We're not getting paid.
This is from our own pockets.
Everything we do is from our own pockets. We're investing to get the investment in the future. Mind games.
So right now we are going home to fetch the shot, then come back, then drink it. We're gonna repetitive it. You feel me? So the fire is there doing the most.
The fire was shouting at us. The fire was shouting at us. He saw that we were making a video. So you're gonna see it in the vlog. The vlog
is
Stay
dropping
tuned.
tomorrow.
Stay tuned for
Tomorrow,
more. Stay tuned for more.
We're dropping this shit tomorrow.
Yeah. Stay
Let's
tuned.
Let's go fetch some booze then.
The Three Musketeers. But
today
today
Ray is not
Slim Ray
here.
is absent due to circumstances.
Yeah.
Circumstances.
But he'll be here soon.
So we here to give you more content.
It's coming tomorrow, man.
Yeah, it's dropping tomorrow on a Sunday.
On a Sunday.
We're gonna edit it and drop it tomorrow. I'm
tomorrow,
telling you to tell. We are drunk, but I'm telling you to tell, but not.
Come on, Z.
I'm telling you.
Not with water. Let's go. Wait.
Too much content. Okay, guys, we just fished the alcohol. Yo, guys.
Josimaru, this fucking shit is very expensive, guys. But
This shit is very expensive, guys. Yo.
But
Bear in mind that this is our own pocket man.
from our pocket, my parents.
Our rains. Shout out to the rains.
Shout out to the Rams.
Shout out to my barber. Yeah. You cooked.
I have a forehead right now because of that nigga. That nigga fucked me up.
So, guys, we about to go back to the
Shout out to Chilla's Punch.
sponsor us.
No sponsored.
Sponsor us. This shit is not sponsored.
Sponsor us.
Guys. Sponsor us.
What is this?
I don't know.
Just a
But it's a Mexican thing.
Mexican.
It's a Mexican
tequila
thing.
by
It's a
490 something. Nigga, we are making rape, but you don't have. YouTube does not pay us.
YouTube doesn't pay, guys.
We need to reach 1K
YouTube
subscribers. Subscribe.
YouTube doesn't
Subscribe.
pay, guys. You must know that this is coming out from straight our accounts and pockets.
We don't have money, guys. But broke students.
So
Shout out to my grandma.
yeah, catch us again maybe a few minutes. Yeah, a few minutes when we get there. Catch us again. We're gonna be doing fire content. Calendar. You can't get your fella.
It's going down. No bananas.
short. Ngicela phansi njengama shake off, abathi wonderful.
Hey, what's good? It's your girl Kiki, and I'm back with another banger.
Which banger? Asmas, guys.
I'm here with my friend. I'm here with my friend.
Asmas, guys.
Yeah.
Asmas. Surprise ubabona ki vlog.
No.
Bomso na trend azobona.
I don't have a problem with that because I'm used to that. So.
Ubani ku YouTube.
No.
What's good YouTube?
Lamntwana uyangixabanisa uthi mina khani ngixolele lo wabandi straight ngixolele kwi-chat zethu yathi mina ndi straight
Siyathi Pablo. When's the video?
Okay, guys, there's a lot going on. Guys, there's a lot going on.
nithomi yakhe
Ithini?
ngixolele mina ndathi ndi straight khani ngixolele
Manga uchilo nje na.
Okay, yiqolele.
Manga siqale kokuthomi yakhe.
Straight.
Ananko straight oyazi lona.
Sabaxelele ufuna indoda.
Ndifuna indoshi nje.
That is the reason why I always avoid cameras.
Uze nenye kwam. Uze nenye. Uze nenye. Uze nenye.
What's going on?
Baze nenye. Baze
nenye. Hey, this is like a vlog.
We have food.
Baze nenye.
Wait, guys. I think there's a lot going on.
Wait.
There's a lot going on in this vlog, guys.
What's
So
happening?
stay tuned. We'll meet next time.
Kasi sober. Kasi sober.
We'll meet I think
Biyadlala unene guys.
me and my friends. Me and my friends. Says you take it all. We are here.
Aye, vlog.
Shani phela sisathetha.
Guys, I love you.
Nizobhatala
I love you so much,
mos.
guys.
Love you.
No, guys, Iman. I love you so much.
Yes.
And please
subscribe.
Oh my. Subscribe. Drop vlog.
Teta.
So
Why?
Kaloku wena so ghetto
I'm scared to drop on
You so ghetto. Keke bathi you so ghetto.
Uye othe vlog yakho.
Luthando's girlfriend.
And she's about to subscribe.
So suburb.
You belong in suburbs.
She's going to suburbs.
I don't even belong in
Luthando's girlfriend.
I belong in It's special Pella.
America, I know in Dubai. In Dubai.
Bitches must call it on the figure.
Call it plus a figure. Bitches must call it plus a figure. Bitches must, yeah, figure. Bitches must call it plus a figure. Yeah. Bitches must call it plus a figure.
Hey, yo, we just woke up. We just woke up, guys. What time is it?
I think it's 4 or 5.
Dude, we woke up late, guys. Yesterday it was lit. Yesterday was lit. You're gonna see on the vlog. You're gonna see on the vlog.
It was a Mars.
It was a
Can't even talk. I'm hungry as fuck.
We just wanna get food. We just wanna get food. And yeah. What else?
Just go back to sleep.
Mm.
Yeah.
So for now we're just closing the vlog. And then we hope you guys enjoyed the content. Well, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Public Matter signing out, and
Darkland
Master Chocolates here.
Darkland Swiss Master Chocolates here.
Oh, you're changing it now.
Swiss Baba.
Yeah.
Quality over quantity.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, we'll see you next time.